Right now at 5:30, mask mandates are coming back in several local towns as well as some businesses. We've been reporting on this for the past few hours. We're also wearing them again here at Channel 3, keeping them handy as we walk around the building. The Department of Public Health is now strongly recommending people wear them indoors again. To a lot of us, it can feel like we're going backwards from where we were at the beginning of the summer. So we wanted to turn to an expert right now to get some more information. So joining us is Dr. Laura Saunders, a psychologist at the Institute of Living. Dr. Saunders, thank you again for being with us this afternoon. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Mark.
I was saying a moment ago, Aaron and I were talking here in the studio. It does feel like we're going backwards, I think. And I think it can take a toll on people because I thought a reward for being vaccinated was not having to do this again. Yet here we are. And I think there can be a lot of confusion and mental strain, perhaps, for myself and other people at home. Am I wrong?
I have one word, and that's disheartening. Right? It's disheartening to think that we have done all the right things and that we are working hard to be safe and get this coronavirus behind us. And it's disheartening to feel like we might be sliding back again. So I've talked to a bunch of people, my kids, my nieces and nephews. They all say, we just want to enjoy the summer. We just want to have fun. It's too much to feel like we're going backwards.
What can we do? Is there anything that, we can tell ourselves, look, it's temporary, or just do the right thing for a little while longer?
Well, what we've seen in the past is that when we follow the rules, things get better. As disheartening as it is, as difficult as it is, when we follow the rules, it does get better. So clearly a lot of this is because people feel free and they need to feel free, right? We want to it's the summer. We want to enjoy our watermelon. We want to do things that make us feel like it's back to the way things were. So for the most part, following the rules is the way that this coronavirus gets, the numbers get less, but it's really difficult for a lot of people.
Lastly, Doctor, obviously we're talking more and more about the school year getting closer, and with this happening right now, what do parents tell their children if they don't want to wear them at school, or they're already asking questions perhaps about why they have to wear them? That can be a difficult thing as well.
Yes, and those conversations are not easy, but as fearful as everyone was last summer that kids would not wear masks, they all did very well with it. They wanted to be back in school. They followed the rules. They did what they were supposed to do. So, we're going to hope that it's not a long time and that it's temporary. And for the most part, the best way to deal with this is to get vaccinated.
That is a very good place to end it, Dr. Saunders. Thank you very much. We always appreciate hearing from you. You help us out, and I know a lot of people at home appreciate your advice. So thank you again for joining us this afternoon.